Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be making a bird box. So let's get our length of wood. We're going to simply measure out 500 all the way up this piece of wood into 4 equal pieces. Right, so I'll just go and cut that, and we'll be back. Right, now we've got our 4 bits of wood cut. We just need to put them together. So what we're going to do is we're going to form a box. So we're going to form a box like this. So what we're going to need to do now is put our screws in. So we're just going to pilot hole each corner, putting in a decent sized chunky screw. This will stop your wood splitting. So now our box is all put together. Let's move on to the next stage, making 2 bird boxes. So now we're going to cut this in half. So you can either make a small one and a large one. You can change the angle of your roof where you want it. So we'll just go ahead there and just put, yeah, I like the angle of that roof. Yeah, good size, both each. What we're going to do is we're going to draw a line where we decide to have our angle. And we're going to turn the box around. And on that line we're going to put 90 degree. We're going to rotate the box all the way around this way again, around. Put a little mark on where our pencil mark is on the other side. 90 degree again. And now what we're going to do is to join these two lines up, and that will give us back our angle where we want to be. There we go. So now we know we've got our 2 boxes. Now we know where these lines are, so we're going to put some screws either side, an inch down below the line, and we'll screw those. There we go. Okay. So let's go ahead and cut this line now. So now we've got our boxes cut. They're starting to look a little bit like a bird box now. I mean, if you wanted to, we could change one of these up. We could take this piece out here. We could have an open bird box for your slightly larger birds. It'd be quite nice. So now we've got off-cut, we need to make our floor. So we're just going to place that on a plank of wood. mark where she is, and we'll just go cut that. So now we have our base. We'll plonk this straight on. So all we're going to do is just going to put a drill, pilot hole on both ends. That's it. So every year now we'll be able to slide it open, take out what we need, close it back up, and put our screw back in. She needs a roof. Again, a piece of off-cut, we'll put that up onto our roof. Then we just need to decide our overhang. So our overhang, we'll just give it a couple of inches. We'll cut that. Right, so now we have our roof. It's just a case of plonking it on the top and going again. Put them little pilot holes in. And there we go. How's the bird going to get in? Oh no, how's the bird going to get in? I think we may need a hole in here. So what we need to do is, what sort of birds would you like to encourage in your garden? Obviously a small hole, small birds. Slightly bigger hole, bigger birds. Cut this bit off here, open fronted, even bigger birds. Right, so let's put a hole in. So what we need to do is choose what size hole we want. We're probably going to have some tits in this one. Right, so let's put a tit hole in here, shall we? Alright, so we've got a 25mm core bit. We'll probably just have a look at eye, put it up a bit close. Up here, mate, this is going to be like a mansion. Wrap that round. And there we have a hole. I know, let's put a perch on so they can sit on here and get in their hole a little bit easier, shall we? Right, so I found the right size drill bit for my dowel. I'll put the dowel down here. Lovely. Oh, she's going to be a tight one. Oh, there we go. So now we have a nice little perch for him to sit on. Right. Well, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.